बहुत कुछ हो, इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends. We welcome all of you to our Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. Today we have got a business opportunity for you where we have invited the founder of this particular brand to digitally interact with you. This is a 45-minute session. First, we'll start with the presentation from brand side, then we'll move towards a panel discussion. There is a question and answer box, so we request all of you to share your suggestion as well as queries in that particular box, so that can be taken during the panel discussion with the brand founder. Franchise India team is always there to help with maximum business support to all investors through physical and digital events. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, both of them hosting this particular webinar for all of you today. And the business opportunity which we have got for you is VegMart. It's a one-stop shop for all your daily needs. They provide organic products. Mr. Ashok Patel, who's the director and a founder at VegMart, started this particular venture in 2014. VegMart is a part of APA group of companies, and they have a vision of providing healthy foods and organic foods to the society. Thank you so much, Ashok sir, for joining us today to talk about VegMart. We are delighted to present your brand to all our investors. So welcome, sir. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Arjun. Yeah, this is Ashok Patil from VegMart Retail Private Limited, Pune. So VegMart is an enterprise which was established in the year 2014 with an overall idea to provide organic lifestyle. So in the general scenario, when you talk of organic, you will hardly find any store or any destination where you will find entire range of products at one point of sale. So VegMart, we have designed, devised and operationalized with the idea to provide a lifestyle into the organic. So organic, it is only the fruits, vegetables. There are categories you'll be able to see into groceries, vegetables, fruits. Into vegetables, there are leafy fruit vegetables, exotic vegetables. And in groceries, they're all called cereals, staples, and grains. So other than these two, we have a category called milk and milk products. In milk, we have milk and ghee at present, and milk we are promoting only on A2 Deshi cow milk. Ghee is out of the same milk. So we have developed a complete supply chain in respect of each of these categories. Company Vegmart, in conjunction with our sister concerns, we have developed a processing technology wherein vegetable and fruit juices can be extracted under the controlled conditions using our own technology called disinfestation. And we use convective energy using electrical and microwave combined together to provide a necessary frequency to provide us totally disinfested groceries and staples and cereals.
So, sir, I'll just bother you here. We are able to see only the company profile. You have to close all the tabs and you have to go to PowerPoint presentation first.
Yeah.
G.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I think it took some time to put it in series. Hello.
Ashokji, visible.
Yeah. This is our PowerPoint presentation, which pertains to only organic lifestyle under the name and style of Vegmart Retail Private Limited. Yeah, our company's missions and visions. So in the nutshell, Vegmart has been established in the year 2014 with necessary supply chain. In the supply chain, we have a production unit, which is established in the rural areas and supported by a processing unit. Processing unit is again pack house, APIDA approved pack house with necessary grading, sorting, packing system established there. And we have our own farms connected with the farmers, and company has been leading under the leadership of me as a founder. So I'm an engineer by qualification from NIT. I have more than three decades of experience. Being a civil engineer, I'm into, my sister concerns are into real estate and export units. And my colleague are one into business strategy. Probably you may be knowing him, Mr. Bhogaonkar. So in the nutshell, it's a business model with a complete supply chain, right from your sourcing, production, processing, sales, and retail marketing and franchisee marketing. So when we talk of source, I myself, I'm a farmer in my own personal capacity with more than 32 acres of farmland and certification with NOCA. NOCA is a certifying body registered under APIDA. So we have crossed almost 3 years into it. We are called now as a certified farmer. Like me, there have been more than 200 farmers attached to the company, but those farmers are individually operating. So they can be attached to as many as certifying bodies concerned. So when we want any product, so we approach those farmers, being an MPNL farmer, and buy the material and put it to the main store. Main store is established in Pune. And we have around 7,000 square feet of central store in Pune with necessary staffing right from operations, marketing, procurement, and all. So company has a USP of having a complete range of products. Since we are connected with the farmers, we are direct. There is no middleman there, buying directly from the farmers. And farmer, that is the basic price we buy it at. And since there is no middleman, the company can, reduce the price and make it more affordable to the customer base. Then, since we have our own grading, sorting, and packing system at the central store in Sangli, so it's a complete supply chain working till the urban distribution center in Pune. So Vegmart, after having crossed over 5 to 6 balance sheets, we started with 0 in the year 2015. And 2020, we have crossed 168 lakhs of revenue. And because of the pandemic, probably we are again been hit by pandemic. So the trajectory has been dampened later. But however, 21-22, we have again caught up. And there now we are on to the market trend. So Vegmart has its own established and registered brands, all groceries and vegetables we are selling under Select Organic. And we have a milk and milk product under the Kesher brand. And we have a processed juice and fruit juices, fruit and vegetable juices. Almost to a tune of 15 to 16 vegetables and fruits are being processed under our own technology called disinfestation. So these juices can be stored under the normal temperatures in a regular glass or PPT PET bottles more than 2 years. So our processed juices and have been almost more than 2 years now. It can sustain at least 1 year without any preservative. So these are our few brands displayed by way of their product range. These are juices, milk, fruits and vegetables, groceries, and oils. And we have oils called, it's a low RPM processing unit called Ghani Tel. It's a very, and wherein the essential properties of the main content without they don't get wasted. So we have maximum aromatic factors into it. So since in 2017 and 18, we have launched our product into media in Pune. It was a press conference, which was conducted by our team with more than 64 media houses participating in that. And these are one of few media coverage screen paper cut pieces. And in the year 2018, while we had participated in the retail market competition in Pune, Vegmart was awarded as the online retailer of the year, best online retailer of the year 2018 at the hands of Honorable Cabinet Minister and the State Minister. So this is how Vegmart as a PPT. And when it comes to...
Shukri, can we talk about the investment also?
Ma'am, we have a separate sheet. He's opening it.
Okay, all right.
In the sense, since we are thinking of with a franchisee model this year, there is an overall investment expectation is around 8 to 10 lakhs rupees. And that 8 to 10 lakhs rupees shall be split into 2 or more groups. One is a non-refundable deposit, which is around 3 lakhs rupees, which is called a franchisee fees. And second one is the infrastructure. Cost of infrastructure could include. Yeah, can you hear me, please? Hello?
Yes, Ashok ji, we can.
Yeah, this is overall precise and specific breakup of these items when it comes to infrastructure, right from your signboards, interior air conditioning, racking systems, hardware, software, licenses. So these are the few factors that are contributing to the costing. This is finally, it's a franchisee fee and put together around 7 lakhs rupees. But when we start, that will be a loading cost of the material. The complete store, when loaded, the inventory could be around almost 75,000 to 1 lakhs rupees. So this comes to 3 plus 4 plus 1. It's around 8 lakhs rupees. The franchisee, the aspiring franchisee need to have his or her own store, either by way of rental or ownership. So the smartness of our franchisee is no investment, no working capital model. So wherein company will take the entire responsibility of refilling the store as and when required. In case of vegetables, it can be in terms of daily or bi-weekly, weekly, depending on the shelf life of the product. So franchisees are, all that franchisees to do is to only be at the store, manage the store under his personal supervision, and company will take care of marketing and digital and social media expenses, such as audio, video, print media, and social media. So this all marketing is controlled by the central store, head office. So as and when the customers join to the portals, they will be directed to the respective the franchisee areas. For example, Pune has around 16 to 18 stores in the year 21, 22, and 22, 23 are concerned. So we have earmarked those areas. Like Pune, there are some pockets where there is a high income group, concentrations are there, IT sectors are there. So out of these, the franchisee is to come with his own selection, and company will take care, will discuss about the locality and its prospects. So on upon the proper scrutiny, the selection and destination of the store shall be decided, then will be appointed as a franchisee. And when it comes to the certifications, the company has obtained all the certifications like production, processing, and food safety licenses, etc. So franchise is not to worry about any of these licenses. They are selling under the, since they are selling it under the company's brand, company is entirely responsible for its origins, its certifications and credentials. So franchise and the wastage or the expiry shall be taken care by company as and when the expiry is met of the product, the company shall be, and the product shall be collected by company And even if it is wastage being perishables, no, it will be collected back by company. So franchisees in no manner is affected by the loss or the expiries. So wastage of the products. So under the circumstances, the franchisee is only left out to be managing the store, make a sales. So sale can be offline and online. So online company will be taking care by way of social media and digital media and physical media and physical marketing. While if the store is necessary to be established in a good location so that buyer can straight away walk into the store and purchase the material. Since it is a single branded organic lifestyle store, so anything that is required for a housewife, ranging from the groceries and vegetables and milk products and processed products, everything will be available at one juncture. So the franchisee shall be is limited to make a sale and present the sale proceeds on weekly or bi-weekly basis, and the percentage of commissions vary from product to product, category to category. In case of vegetables and fruits, it is 30%. In case of groceries, it is 30%. For processed products and spices and milk products, it is 12 to 15%. So on an average, overall sale, it will be 22 to 25% is the gross margin. The franchisee is in a given time of 15 to 18 months, he should be able to achieve at least 5 lakhs rupees sale per month. For a year, it shall be almost 60 to 70 lakhs rupees. Out of that, the net profit can be, the gross profit shall be between 2.5% to 3% or 150% in 5 years span. So that is almost 30% per annum. So on an investment of maximum 10 lakhs rupees, the franchisee should be able to make almost 60 lakhs rupees sale and a net profit of around 25 to 30%, 25 to 50,000 rupees per month. So the return shall be not less than 2.5% on an investment. Anything else that I can, anyone want any information?
Thank you so much, Ashokji. We'll also take some questions that I'm seeing coming from our audience. Yeah. And I'd like to thank you for presenting the opportunity to our investors today. And friends, like Ashokji also took us through details of the business model. He himself is a techpreneur, agriculture enthusiast. He's a certified farmer himself, and he started the company with the goal to empower farmers and also enable consumer health. And their product offering includes fresh fruits, vegetable, pulses, grain, flour, spices, dry fruits, and also dairy. And they also have their own private label by the name of Kesher, which also has a product line, and including even A2 milk, which is a part of the dairy, which is being provided by the company. If I talk about this category at large, organic and the distribution retail in terms of fruit, vegetables, companies mostly have a full stack model. Full stack model would mean that backward integrated बहुत अच्छी तरीके से होती हैं. So in their case also, like Ashok ji mentioned, उनका सारा का सारा supply chain comes directly from the farmer. So ये very well integrated है backward. And typical जो organic supply chain on an average is more efficient compared to conventional agri businesses because there are fewer intermediaries. Mediaries जो middlemen होते हैं वो कम होते हैं, because it is directly procured from farmers and it comes directly at the outlets. So value chain में कम middlemen होते हैं, and when you have lesser people in between, that means that better margins can be given to our partners, and also maybe the value to the customer, and also better control on quality, cost, and traceability of the product, which is becoming a very big requirement of the consumer today. So Ashok ji, कुछ questions हम लेंगे which I'm seeing coming from the audience, and आपने फिलहाल I had some queries which were being asked also, and you have covered that in your presentation. So overall अगर हम बात करते हैं, ये investment तकरीबन 7 लाख की है, जिसमें 3 lakhs is franchise fees and almost 3 lakhs ही आपका दूसरे expenses है, interiors हो गया, capex के ऊपर हो गया, and equipment put together. And this investment also includes a working capital of 70,000. So initially 70,000 का हम stock रखेंगे. Now 300 square feet का आउटलेट है, अगर हम 70,000 का स्टॉक की हम बात करते हैं, दिस इज एट व्हाट वैल्यू? ये एमआरपी वैल्यू पे हम बात करें, और दिस इज एट a discounted value. So इस 70,000 की जो स्टॉक की जो वैल्यू होगी इन्वेंट्री की,
that is MRP.
तो ये
it can be between 70,000 to 1 lakh.
Okay. And I will also so आप कह रहे हैं एमआरपी पे होगा ये 70,000, so डिस्काउंट करके तो कम नहीं हो जाएगा ये?
No, it is, I told you that actually 1 lakh rupees. So out of that, net 70,000 will be the net purchase price of the.
Okay, हाँ जी. So 1 लाख का टोटल स्टॉक होगा, एंड आफ्टर जो मार्जिन फ्रेंचाइजी को मिलते हैं, 70,000 इज व्हाट ही नीड्स टू पुट. एंड इसका इन्वेंट्री का कैटेगरी का मिक्स क्या रहेगा अशोक जी? जैसे हमने पल्सेस की बात की, हमने डेयरी की बात की, सो इसका हमारा कैटेगरी में जो भी प्रोडक्ट मिक्स है वो किस तरीके से हमारा रहता है? एक चीज, एंड दूसरा, क्योंकि इसमें कुछ पेरिशेबल प्रोडक्ट्स भी होते हैं हमारे, तो वो हम कैसे देखते हैं? आर दे रिटर्न बैक या कोई एक्सपायरी प्रोडक्ट?
Very much, yeah. See, these are vegetables, like maybe it is leafies. Leafies get lost within a couple of days, right?
Hanji.
So they will, once they lose their luster, we'll take it back. So the delivery boy at 7 o'clock in the morning leaves for the delivery of the for the franchisees. So he'll collect the spoiled vegetables and deliver the new fresh ones. For example, it's OTP. We call it onion, potato, and tomato. These are the products which can sustain for at least 4 to 5 days or a week.
Hanji.
The onion can last for longer. Potatoes and tomatoes definitely doesn't mind sustaining for 4 to 6 days. So we deliver them weekly. There's leafies we deliver almost second or third day, every second or third day. And groceries will be fortnightly or according as the stock is, depleted.
Okay. So ये जो हमारा सप्लाई होगा लॉजिस्टिकली, हम हर रोज फ्रेश सप्लाईज करेंगे आउटलेट के ऊपर. एंड अशोक जी, दूसरा जो मेरा क्वेश्चन है, हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट ब्रेकअप के बारे में बात की है. हमारे जो डेली एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस फॉर रनिंग द आउटलेट, उसके ऊपर आपका क्या गाइडेंस रहेगा? क्या रेंटल होने चाहिए? व्हाट आर द रेंटल आर वी लुकिंग एट? कितना स्टाफ का रिक्वायरमेंट रहता है? इफ यू कैन.
Yeah, like a franchisee need to be basically the location of store need to be a good location, because the product itself speaks a lot about the quality and the certification. So right. It is obviously, it does not come under the common requirement, general requirement. So those who are really concerned about the health, those who are really can afford, that obviously the cost of the product being higher than the general products. So being certified, their all products are going to be sealed and packed. So being certified, once the pack is sealed is broken, the guarantee ends there. So if anyone finds a doubt or anybody has a challenge about that, he has to provide me the, he can challenge the product, the originality and the traceability, will be able to provide them the certificate, point number 1. And over and above that, we can subject the product for the testing, lab testing, right? So with all these credentials at hand, the certifications and backup at hand, we can guarantee the product origin at any given time. Okay, when it comes to the range, so range can be in vegetables itself, there are more than 3 to 4 categories. Leafy vegetables, fruit vegetables, exotic vegetables, and called something called salads. And in grocery, there are grains, pulses, cereals, and staples. Other than this, they are all processed products. There's a processed fruit and vegetable juices, processed oils. We have got 6 to 7, 8 types of oils. Lakdi Ghani oil, we call it. So under the RPM of 50 to 45 to 50 RPM, we extract the oils by preserving its aromatic value. So all under brand and everything under seal condition.
Sure.
So that
हमारे price points क्या रहेंगे अशोक जी सारे products के on an average?
On an average, because if you check at par into the market, when it is organic, for example, somebody like Nature Basket is there, 24 Mantra is there, Titos are there. If you just compare with them, and we stand the lowest because we already been registered vendor with Reliance Mart more than 108 grocery products. So these all groceries are packed in different denominations, right from 100 gram till 200, 500, 1000 gram, 2 kgs, 5 kgs. So different denominations according as the product. For example, if it is a wheat, there is no point in packing wheat in a half kg or a jwari in half kg. They need to be 1 kg and plus. So when it is a spices start from 50 grams and the nuts starts from 50 grams to 100 grams. So these are all called products. So we have more than 50 products in different denominations.
So हमारे जो SKUs हैं आप कह रहे हैं overall our SKU range is about 350. Total
350,
SKU
yes.
range रहती है हमारी 350 की रहती है and they are different packaging. And अशोक जी quickly मैं एक दो questions और भी लूंगी. एक मैंने operating expenses पूछा था, so क्या staff की requirement रहती है? What is the ideal rental this particular format should have?
Okay, like for example, if you know about Pune, for example, I think of Koregaon Park or Shivajinagar. So these are the hi-fi locations wherein the rent of the store can be as high as 40 to 50,000 per month, right? If you come to Pimpri Chinchwad or maybe Hinjawadi IT Park, it could be between 30 to 40. So minimum we take 30 into account while calculation, maximum 50. So between these 30 to 50 can be the rate of store per month besides deposit, point number one. The operating expenses are hardly to an extent of a delivery boy attached to the store and a franchisee himself.
Right.
So, right. While calculating the affordability of the net profit, the expenses towards the franchisee's man hours per month, maybe 20 to 25,000, and a delivery boy up to almost 15,000 rupees, and housekeeping and all put together around 3 to 5,000. So 75 to 80,000 is the maximum operating expenses per month. All right. In virtual calculation, if you think that a sale is almost a minimum of 5 lakhs rupees. So out of 5 lakhs rupees, the cost of the commission, the franchisee commission may be around 25%, which comes to 1.2 lakhs behind 5 lakh sale, right? Out of 1.25, 75,000 can be the expenses towards operations and the store management. So the difference is 50,000 rupees. But we commit minimum 25, maximum 50. So there have been some stores now likely to open in Pune. They are already into same business, making more than 50,000 per day business. But being organic, we don't commit such a high volume and high sales because being a classified business or product range. So we commit after 15 months, we can commit 5 lakhs rupees sale per month.
And initially क्या रहेगी अशोक जी, because we understand ये subscriber based business होता है कि एक बार एक home या family use करना शुरू कर दे तो हर महीने वो product order करती रहती है. तो अगर हम शुरुआत से बात करें आप कहते हैं almost 6-7 months में बिजनेस स्टेबलाइज हो जाता है. इनिशियल मंथ्स में क्या सेल रहती है, एक चीज. और दूसरा मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस अपने ऑडियंस से भी लेना शुरू करूंगी. सो वी कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस एंड देन आई विल टेक अप क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम आवर इन्वेस्टर्स.
Yeah, in this case, sale can be starting from zero. In the first month, you cannot expect more than, see, once the store is established and started operations. So social media just started with that particular store. So if you, for example, Kothurud is the area in Pune. So it has got a operating radius of say 5 kilometers. Okay. It's a 10 kilometers as a diameter of that particular area of operations.
Right.
So the social media will take at least 2 to 3 months for getting good responses. Okay, till such period, the first months can be starting from even 50,000 rupees. Second month can be 1 lakh rupees. Third month can be 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, and more of it depends on how well this franchisee is managed, how well franchisee is taking the thing seriously. He cannot thoroughly depend on the guys below him. He has to be managing it for himself at least for 6 months, so that within a 6 months period, you will cross 3 lakhs. And almost by end of the year, hopefully it should be around 4 to 4.5 lakh rupees. And the maximum minimum commitment company can offer is to within a period of 15 months, at least 5 lakhs rupees sale.
So Ashok ji, आपने बोला था, all online also, because you also have online demand which comes in, and if you have a franchisee in that radius जो आपने बताया है, जो sales अगर online आपके पास आती हैं, वो भी franchise partner fulfill करेंगे या वो आप directly करेंगे?
No, this company will take care of all the social media and digital media marketing. Company will spend for it. Company, even to an extent of providing the pamphlets to the franchisee store, is the responsibility of the company. Okay. And that the whatever, for example, company takes care of complete city. So that means all 16 to 18 stores are covered under the company's social media and digital media marketing. So any store that is given in a given area, the orders or the inquiries from that area will go to the respective store.
Sure. That's helpful. And quickly, मैं दो questions देख रही हूँ, Ashok ji, and I'll take this question. And there are many questions from Miss. I'm seeing Anjani ji asking a couple of questions. And एक question है जो franchise fees है, is that one-time fee या recurring fee है?
It is one-time fee.
One-time fee. Okay, and the ROI is about 1.5 years, but आपका operational break-even, friends, can be anything between 3 to 6 months में आपका operational break-even हो जाता है. And second, a business like this has no risk. ये सारा किराने का business है, FMCG product है, and there is no risk of even inventory which is either perishing or perishable or even spoiled. All that is taken care by the company. They take back that inventory, so there is no risk on the inventory, so to say. And there's another question which Anjani ji is asking: what is the price range variation? And she wants to give us, she wants that we share with her an example of the price variation between organic product and a non-organic product, which means how expensive it is compared to a non-organic product. And maybe if you can cite a few examples of maybe a milk or a ghee or a pulse and explain that.
See, for example, to generalize this product, we vary almost 1.5 times than the regular ones.
Mm-hmm.
Because in this case, the smartness of this model is zero working capital for the franchise. Point number one, zero wastage. Expiry is taken care by company. Wastage is taken care by company. And marketing, digital, whatever 3 lakhs company is taking by way of non-refundable deposit, the same money is even plugged back into the franchisee cashment.
Okay.
Maybe social media and digital media, or maybe otherwise any other medias.
Sure. And Ashok ji, इसमें credit line भी होती है. Initial stock they will take 70,000. Next time जब भी replenishment होता है, because ये daily replenishment होता है stock का. So is there a credit line offered to them या ये cash basis पे रहता है upfront?
No, it is not at all. A franchisee is not to invest anything once he is established as a store owner or a franchisee. So their companies, companies deliver the material to the franchisee only and the delivery challan, not by way of sales or invoice, right? So material is supplemented to him, right? So only franchisee is supposed to raise the bill on upon sale is made.
Okay, all right.
So there is nothing like credit line comes into picture here.
Okay, so whatever the sale is made, that is what he pays to the company. There's nothing called...
Yeah, weekly, every Monday or any convenient day.
Reconciliation.
Yeah.
Reconcile.
Yeah.
Accounts. Great. And Ashok ji, एक और question है, is there any app support also? Because online product available है, कोई app भी है जिसके through
No,
हम...
we have ERP attached to this operating model. And app had been operating for 3 years. Now that is under reconstructions because of the denomination thing. But it might take maybe 6 months period from now, because we have invested at most more than 5 to 6 lakh rupees on the product development.
Right. And is there a minimum order value? Because हर रोज order value बहुत अलग होंगे. कई बार आपकी sales ज़्यादा है, कई बार कम है. So I have a question. Is there any minimum order value which a franchisee needs to make to the company, or it can be any value?
Yes. No, as a company, today, since company is delivering to the entire city length is more than 50 kilometers in lateral dimensions. So for as a company to deliver it to the extreme end of the city, at least more than 150 rupees goes in fuel for a delivery boy. So that is the entire idea why we are going for a different franchisee at different locations.
Correct.
So if any franchisee in a given radius of 5 kilometers, the cost of fuel may be less than 50 rupees per delivery, but that delivery charges is included into the consignment cost, that is invoice price.
Okay.
So invoice price cannot be less than 500 rupees.
All right. Since
we are providing a complete lifestyle, the limit can be anything. They are not only ordering vegetables. They can order milk, they can order groceries, processed products, anything. So it is the entire lifestyle being available at one given point. So to raise the invoices to minimum 500 rupees is a very conventional requirement.
Sure. And अशोक जी, एक और क्वेश्चन मैं लूंगी. गणेश जी हैं, ये पुणे से ही हैं. ही इज इंटरेस्टेड, वो कल्याणी नगर के लिए पूछ रहे हैं. कल्याणी नगर का एरिया जो है, इज दैट ओपन एंड क्या पोटेंशियल आपको लगता है इस लोकेशन?
यस, कल्याणी नगर इज इन आवर एरिया ऑफ डेस्टिनेशंस.
हाँ जी.
सो कल्याणी नगर, विमान नगर, कोरेगांव पार्क, शिवाजी नगर, हड़पसर, मुंडवा, and this Kothurud area, Hinjawadi area, Wakad, Aund, Baner. More than 16 points have been there as a point of destinations, area of destinations. So it is up to franchisee to select out of this.
Okay.
Because if he has his own store anywhere in the corner of the city and where there cannot be any footfall, and company cannot take a guarantee on that. We expect that let the rent be a little more, but it should be in a budging area.
Yes, you need to have a good catchment, and these are 16 points which have been identified by the company where they feel there's a good potential and a good neighborhood which can serve as a good target audience for the store. And so Ganesh, you've also shared your details. We have a team in Pune who will get in touch with you, and we'll align a meeting with Ashok ji in this particular week. In the meantime, we'll send you all the information that you seek to. And Ashok ji, पुणे के अलावा हम बाहर भी देख रहे हैं, like अंजनी जी is asking कोल्हापुर के लिए. कोल्हापुर में हम अभी देखेंगे रोल आउट अपना?
No, Sonia. Problem is that see, ultimately we'll have to serviceability gets affected. For example, if only one customer is there in Kolhapur, how will I be able to serve the vegetables, the sensitive vegetables like leafies and all? Right. So Pune is the only launch pad. We cannot go beyond Pune until this particular city is covered with 16 to 18 stores. And then only we already started with Mumbai, that's in New Mumbai. But again, Mumbai is there. Immediately after Pune, we are taking up Mumbai.
That's helpful. And I'm just answering a question from Anjani ji, who पूछ रही हैं कि जो rates हैं fruits and vegetables के fixed हैं, variable हैं, just like regular.
Definitely. See, since it is a supply chain, it depends on how exactly the cost of material available at the farmers level, right? So rates are variable at any given time, but it will not be on daily basis or weekly basis, but will definitely change in a month.
Sure. That's what I wrote. ये volatile होते हैं and very much dependent on how they are sourced, like other products. And Anjani ji will connect you with Mr. Ashok, and Ganesh ji, we also will connect you with Mr. Ashok. And Ashok ji, I've covered, I think, a lot of questions and very interesting, I would say, interaction we had with our audience also. And as we close, मैं request करूँगी एक message जो आप सब लोगों को देना चाहते हैं. And honestly, I feel this is a very honest business. आपने बहुत साल लगाए हैं इस business को खड़ा करने में, and true to the cause of organic, and you yourself being a farmer, I can understand how close you are attached to this business and making it successful, not only for yourself, but most importantly, आपके साथ जो partners attach होंगे, you're very, very sensitive about it. So as we close, मैं आपसे request करूँगी कोई भी एक message आप सब audience को आप देना चाहते हैं.
Yeah, only my message to the audience is that organic is the way forward in the time to come, point number one. And one has to, if you really, anyone is thinking in terms of having organic, it need to be by way of only lifestyle. There's no point in taking only specific product as an organic and rest all.
Right.
So that does not add to the health. So that is what actually it's probably Vegmart is the only company with entire such a big range of products in India to be available at one given time under one brand. We are not selling other brands. Our own brands, one time, entire thing that is available, required by the kitchen. Mm-hmm. So this is the lifestyle that we are providing.
Absolutely.
And lastly, Suneji, this is ultimately, this business can be owned with an upper limit of 10 lakhs rupees investment, including the rent and the deposit of the store. And one who is really inclined towards the organic.
Correct.
It cannot be merely looked at a business.
Absolutely. Hanji, that's a very, very important point, Ashokji, which you have made. And if you're passionate, आपकी knowledge on the product, the way that you would convince also makes a lot of difference.
Because the franchisee need to be in his or her capacity be first customer to the store.
Absolutely. That's very important point, Ashokji, that you've made. He himself should be a customer before he wants to make sale or make more customers. Thank you, Ashokji. Very, very valuable inputs. And I feel you have spoken from your heart in this presentation.
Thanks a lot.
I'd like to also thank all our friends for joining in. And friends, we have taken a note of all your questions. And I hope we have tried to answer as much we could in this time. And any questions which need more clarity. And as I said, we'll line up a meeting or a call one-to-one with Ashokji in this coming week. And especially Anjani ji and Ganesh ji, we have taken all your questions and we'll align a meeting through our Pune team who will get in touch with you. Thank you so much once again for being with us.
Thanks a lot, one and all. Thanks a lot.
Archana, over to you, please.
So thank you so much, Ashok sir, for joining in today. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am. All the dear friends, thank you so much for registration as well as joining this particular webinar. We would like to inform you that you can be in touch with us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. Also request you to share your suggestion and feedback with us at our different social handles, because that will definitely help us in serving you in the best of the manner. Also, it's very easy to get the expert advice from the management team of Franchise India. Just join them at the LinkedIn platform. Of Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am links in ID on your screen. So please connect with them. And tomorrow, under our weekend series, we are bringing the top 2 brands which are offering franchisee invested company operated model. 6th of November, we are inviting you to join for particular ROI show, where we will obviously give you the input about the business opportunity we are bringing, as well as we'll talk about the return on investment, which is a very integral part of any of the business. So don't miss this chance. Do join us tomorrow, 12 p.m. by doing registration. Registration is free of cost, and that can be done either by connecting at the Franchisee India hotline number or go to Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Take care. Thanks. Thanks.